you think?
Unbelievable.
So that's all we need to know.
Well folks, what's good? Welcome back to the vlog. Season's over, so today we're going to do a bit of pre-season training. I was chatting to a guy the other day. He's not very good on a motorbike, but he is probably watching this, and he said to me that, you know, you have a hard winter and then you have an easy summer. Yeah, so today we're going to put that to the test, try and get better, stronger and fitter for next season. So today we're going to a well-known mountain range. We've been there before on the channel, probably was about a year ago though, and we're just going to go up and see how we get on. I mean, we're all much better riders since the last time we rode there, so it should be good fun. I'm going to try and keep the vlogs going over the winter, just so YouTube doesn't nerf my channel. So get down there, like, comment, subscribe and all that good stuff. Make sure we're getting the engagement. So yeah, going to get finished packing up here, and I'm going to hit the road and meet the boys. So see you then. Holy shit. Don't believe that. Cameron's actually on time for once. Yeah, so the boys are well prepared today. I've still got the cruise control throttle, and shows your front brake there, Steve. Aye. Quality used.
Hitting hard off the throttle tube there, so it is, you know.
Sure, you don't need brakes anyway. I'm making nervous, sir.
I look behind me and it's like, oh
no. At least you're pointing the right way.
Yeah.
How am I getting down from here?
No problem.
Nearly roosted you. Who needs enemies to get mates like that, eh? Legs are a bit short for that one. Wee with the stees. Nah. Give that one a 5.
I got a big nose dive over it.
Oh, you were up in the air, and your feet were off the pegs and everything. You were like, oof. Cameron was I.
Oh, he's making me like that time ago.
You're a goon.
Sweet, right? Push it with control.
Professional goon. Oh!
What are you at there, Clark?
Just to be hitting a few gas parts of the Husky.
Gas parts to a Husky?
Hopefully she'll take now.
Yeah, that's her then. That'll never fall off again with good gas parts on her.
It's a bit deep, this. I've got wet boots now. I've got dry stars.
Dry stars.
Might be going out before I started, guys.
Really see at the end of the day, I take mine off and I'll look at this sweaty imprint, this soggy imprint.
Upside down during the mouth job.
This would lead us across the road.
If we get that far. What was saying here? Too deep?
Yeah, get up there. What? Whose idea was this? Probably a sensible idea to be fair. I'd try it, drop my bike and flood it and we'd be stuck here.
What are we at here?
I'm gonna try and dump that, but it's a bit slippy here, so we'll see if we get it wrong.
Not bad. I am completely ringing. Look at that. Dry patch.
Right, the whole underside of there is bone dry.
Nice.
See here?
I tell you what, I said at the start of the video that we've definitely improved as riders, but it's great to come back to somewhere we haven't been in a long time. I haven't watched my last video from here. Actually, I'll leave a link up in the top corner there. But it's amazing to see how much better we've become. You know, there's stuff here we were doing before we were really struggling, and today it's just been a breeze. It's been really fun days riding. Really enjoyed it. So there was a nice log climb here last time we were here. I wonder if it's still here. a second. Go. Got them techers.
You're good when I came by.
Yeah, you f***ing absolute dude, like.
I wasn't gonna stop there. What'd you do?
It's like dirty mouth. I wipe it. Dirty hands, just smear it on my mouth.
You look
Disgusting!
Like you look like you've been using that charcoal toothpaste.
I believe that's what you call karma.
I was coming down the hill I just went up. Forgot that, well, I just didn't turn the GoPro on. It's like, I'll save a bit of battery. Be nothing special. I came down it, and oh my days, like, hit the deck proper. Clark comes down after me. Laughs, I hear him laugh. And then bang, he hits the deck just behind me. I was like, karma like.
On up.
Some boy!
From here to here and that. You can feel yourself, big son. Oh. No, yeah, you got this.
Turn. Back out.
I mean, you've seen how it's done.
I want that set face straight away for a wee short.
Nah. All you're getting's a bit at the end where you fell off.
Huh?
All you're getting's a bit at the end where you fell off.
No, I've already got the caption. 0 to hero.
That's exactly what I said.
I hate it extremely. You just gotta jump that first bit and carry speed up in, and then you're sweet like. The only other bit you need to watch your front wheel on that rock towards the bottom.
You're saying like this, like we're gonna try it? He's looking at
Cut out, mate.
Well, that there's gonna spoil the rest of the day. Like we're fairly deep into the forest here, so I'm gonna have to head back. So yeah, that's probably gonna be the end of this vlog. Like I say, get down in the comments there, leave a like, and subscribe to the channel if you want to watch more of these videos. Cheers!